as we started in this work, we had a presenter come out and talking about traditional learning, and he had mentioned that if an alien were to be dropped into the middle of our high school at the time, that the alien would think that we're training everyone to be college professors, right? If you think back to a traditional high school, it was very lecture-oriented. You know, kids were sitting in classrooms, not really actively engaged in any kind of projects. Now you take that same theory and you look at a preschool classroom, right? A preschool classroom is all active learning. They're all engaged. There's lots of questions. There's inquiry learning. So for me, with an early childhood background, I wanted to say, how can we capture that hope and wonder that happens naturally in a preschool classroom and continue to develop that all the way up through a high school. And so that's where we kind of started to look at this problem-based model, you know, really looking at how do we ensure that students have these skills beginning at a young age. Using problem-based learning, it gives students a deeper understanding. It provides a lot of opportunities for that real-world knowledge. We want to make sure that we give all of our students an opportunity to apply what they've learned. We talk a lot in our district about being able to show mastery in multiple ways in multiple times. It's not about the one and done. It's not just about, you know, the unit test or the chapter test, or in high school being able to pass the final. We really want to move beyond that to the actual application of that learning. How do you apply that skill? And also looking at not only the content, but what in Illinois we call it adaptive skills. We're looking at those 21st century skills, all of those other skills that build a balanced learner, not only in the school system, but then out in the community as well.